Hello guys, and welcome to weekly outlook here on pound USD and gold. Quickly here on pound USD, we saw this breakout out of these regions of 1.3532 regions, and we made a new high that we haven't made in quite a long time since 2025, and we're currently at 1.3640 regions. What I'll be anticipating here is quite normal for just a pullback and a continuation. First, if we pull up our Fibonacci retracement from here to this point, if at market open price starts to retrace back, then we'll be anticipating price to come into these regions of 1.3532 region. And if it's going to weak out or manipulate, it should also maybe come back to retest 1.35 or 1.3490 regions here. I'll take this off, and that means that I'll be looking out for a pullback back into these regions here, and then a continuation probably to make or retest 1.3650. For the whole of next week, it's possible that price might be pulling back, but if that's the case, I would like to see a counter trend trade, but I have to see like the signal, like a new structure formation here. Then maybe we could risk a little bit to pull back to these regions, because it's quite it's okay to risk that amount if we were to measure that, and that's actually around 120 pips right there, so it's actually okay. That's that for pound USD. It's possible, yeah, basically I'm looking out for a pullback and a continuation, or at market open price might retest these regions back and still pull back, so I would just look for a counter trend trade to come into this region. That said, for gold, we've just seen a continuous movement. Price is a few pips away from hitting an all-time high of $5,000 for gold, just for one. And yeah, basically what I can say here is that I'll be anticipating maybe a pullback and a continuation to areas like this to continue to the upside. Yeah, something of this nature may continue. We'll be looking back to see something like that, probably to these regions or these regions, and then we'll continue to the upside. Yeah, if price breaks below this, then we could possibly also look for a retest and come back to this region. Alright, that's that for gold, and that's that for pound USD. I would see you guys for recap during the weekends, and hopefully you back some pips this week. Ciao.